So what's the difference between 1 degree Celsius and 1 Celsius degree? First of all, I want to let you know that this is something you can use, but you don't have to use it. It helps me keep it straight, but if you don't use it, that's fine. But what's it help me keep straight? Well, it helps me keep straight that 1 degree Celsius, that's a temperature. So if I had my thermometer, took the temperature, I could have 1 degree Celsius. But 1 Celsius degree is a temperature difference or a delta T, a change in temperature. What does that really mean? Well, let's look at some thermometers here. So if I had a temperature of 1 degree Celsius, that would be a temperature of 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's put that 1 degree Celsius is a temperature of 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. But the temperature difference, okay, so that means the temperature difference on the Celsius over here would be my final temperature, 1 Celsius degree, minus, it started at, let's say we started at 0 degrees Celsius. So when I subtract those two, I get a difference, a delta T, write that loss, let's make that a little bigger there. I get a delta T of 1 Celsius degree. Over here, Fahrenheit, I would have my final temperature of 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And so that's going to be a temperature difference of 1.8 Fahrenheit degrees. So what that tells me is that 1 Celsius degree, or that difference, equals 1.8 Fahrenheit degree. So if we look at another example, let's pick something in the middle of the scale. Let's say I move from right here, let's just say, that looks pretty much in the middle, 50 degrees Celsius. I go up to 51 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that means the difference, my delta T right there, again is 1 Celsius degree. Well, what is it in Fahrenheit then? What is my temperature difference in Fahrenheit? 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, but if I go up, if I have a change of 1 Celsius degree here, how much does that change my Fahrenheit degrees? Well, that's what this tells us. That means it goes up. We have a temperature change of 1.8 Fahrenheit degrees. So that means my temperature, if I move from 50 to 51 Celsius, would go from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 123.8 degrees Fahrenheit. I would just add 1.8 Fahrenheit degrees. So that's telling me it's a temperature. So that's the temperature difference between the Fahrenheit right here. That delta T is going to be 1.8 Fahrenheit degrees. So that way I can tell whether I have temperature differences or actual temperatures, depending upon where I put that degree. Now, like I said, it's something you can use, but you don't have to. You can use it if you want to. It helps me keep it straight. So if you want to, go ahead and use that.